Hey everyone, welcome back to Movement Monday and March Madness. We are fully in it as we have officially entered March. So today I'm going to take you through some of the moves that you'll be seeing and voting on all month long in our bracket competition that you can do virtually. And then we're going to be having a live mat class for those of you who are in the Southwest Florida area, having all the moves put together. But today we'll kind of go through some in just a quick little flow. So let's start lying on our backs. To get ourselves warmed up, feet flat on the mat, about hip width distance apart. Take a couple good deep breaths in, really connect. Feel that tilt of the pelvis. And then as you exhale, coursing all together into imprint spine, spine fully touching the bottom of the mat. Inhale, let that natural curve exaggerate a little bit and get bigger. Exhale, curl into the mat. From here, we want that neutral spine, feet flat on the floor. We're going to go into some bridging. To make this more challenging, let's throw our hands up in the air, 90 degrees, fingers pointed towards the sky. As you begin to curl that pubic bone towards your nose, lifting your spine up off the mat to your shoulders, one vertebra at a time, one strong line at the top, and then exhale as you slowly articulate all the way back down. Let's do that again. Inhale as you bridge up, and exhale as we come all the way back down. Do two more like this. Moving slow, waking up that spine. One more. Really pull it up piece by piece by piece. Hold it here at the top and just give me little pulses up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Slowest articulation yet. I want you to curl that head, neck, and shoulders. Grab that right shin. Pull it into your chest. Left leg goes long. And switch. And switch. For 8, 7, 6, 5. Gaze should be at those knees. Elbows wide. 2, 1. Lengthen that leg and pull for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it at that high 45. Arms out straight. Begin to pump for your 100. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you get those legs a little lower? Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. You can pull it in. Take a second. Then I want you to gently rock yourself up to that seated where you're on the precipice of your sit bones and you're doing a balance. Hands on your shins, toes pointed down. Begin to curl that pubic bone back so you go to the ball to the tips of your shoulders and come back up. Give me a couple more like this. Really scooping out and hollowing that belly so it has a nice like curve to roll in. It's not a flat oomph. One more. On this next one, can you hold it at the top? Can we extend those legs for teaser? Arms out long. And then I want you to lower down slowly with control, hovering our arms and our legs as we scoop back up into your teaser. Lower down slowly with control as we scoop back up into our teaser. On this last one, lower down with control. Stay all the way down. You're going to give me a nice roll up. So we're going to begin to chin towards chest as you roll all the way up to the top. Give me that nice spine stretch. Pulling in opposite angles. Come back up to seated. Palms go by your waist. Lift up into your leg, pull back. Lift that right leg. Set it down. Find those tall sit bones. And then slowly articulate all the way down. Come back up again. One vertebra at a time. Up and over that beach ball. Arms come down by your hips. Lift up. Left leg. We're going to do 2 more, one for each leg. Make them your best roll downs yet. You're almost at the end of this quick little burnout. Come back up, scoop up and over, come into the top. And last one. Oh, yeah. A good deep stretch here at the end. Flex those feet. Lift. Left leg goes up. Come down. Let's meet me with your Z sit for just a quick mermaid. Left shin forward, right shin back. Arms out long. And go over to the left. Think of lengthening and then reaching up and over. Come back to your T. Lengthening out and then up and over. Come back to your T. Counter stretch. Flip those feet. So right shin forward, left shin back. Up and over to the right. Come back to your T. Up and over to the left. Right to your T. And a counter stretch. We'll see you on the mat all month long.